You ready for this?
Probably not. Only 550K to go.
The Locomotion 630, because why not add on the Aspetuck Peninsula? There was a bunch of prep that went into this ride, but that's boring, so we'll skip over it. My good friend Graham and I were put onto this race by his brother Alex, who was conveniently out of town for the weekend. We set off as a team of 2 from Halifax at 6 a.m. on Saturday with hopes of making it back by Sunday evening. The route took us to the valley down some nice back roads. It was around this point that we had
only 550K to go.
Through Wolfville for the first checkpoint, past some beautiful roads by the Bay of Fundy, and onto our first big climb. From here, we took a left, and then ran into some construction. Graham helped pull me through a rough patch on the way to Middleton, and we were 207 kilometers in, just over 8 hours of riding, and still having fun.
Still having fun.
Then we hit our second big climb of the route.
Still having fun?
It was a short stretch along the Bay of Fundy and another left turn towards checkpoint number 2 in beautiful Bear River. We took 30 minutes to put our legs up, grab some food before deciding to push through.
Heading into the night shift here.
We made it to Liverpool around 1:45 a.m. after 410 kilometers of riding and caught some shut-eye at the Best Western. We feasted on the continental breakfast before tackling the last 220 kilometer stretch up the South Shore back to Halifax. We passed dangerously close to my hometown, crossing the Lehave Ferry, then dangerously close to Graham's hometown. By the time we hit the Aspetuck, it was pouring rain, and my pan of chocolate was soggy. A quick flat tire fix on the side of the road, because you have to have at least one. Then it was the final push back to Halifax. We caught up with Luis in the last kilometer heading up Citadel Hill. He didn't sleep a wink the entire weekend. And there we were, back at the top of Citadel Hill after a nice weekend on the bike. The race organizer Ashleigh finished not too long afterwards and wrapped up the whole event quite nicely.
Okay, there you are. Holy.